Hi beauties, welcome back to J-Rock Yoga. My name is Jess, and today in this short video I'll be taking you through belly breathing, which is a very simple but effective breath that you can use in the morning or evening to help calm you down, center you. It's really great for anxiety, and it's really great for focus. I put out videos like this every single week, so if you like this video, you can subscribe to my channel and hit the bell right below. That way you'll get notified every time I post new content and you won't miss anything. Without further ado, let's do some belly breathing. Okay, so we're gonna get started in a seat. So I like to prop myself up on blocks. You could sit any way you'd like. You could sit cross-legged, you could sit on the shins, you could prop yourself on pillows or blocks. I like to be a little bit elevated. I feel like it helps me remember to open up the spine. So just find your comfortable seat and we'll kind of settle in. Belly breathing is so simple, but we're so used to breathing with our shoulders and with our chest that sometimes it takes a little bit of time to just kind of teach our body how to breathe into the belly. So I'm going to explain the breath and then we're going to do it together. So if you'd like, you could put your one hand on the belly. Actually, let's put both hands on the belly. This way you can really feel the expansion. You're going to take an inhale and you're going to breathe in so that the hands on your belly really get pressed out forward. Good. And then we're going to breathe in a little bit more air and see if we can expand the rib cage, almost like it's separating. Good. And then we exhale through the mouth and contract the core, squeezing out any air that's left in it. So you feel a little bit of core engagement there. So we breathe into the belly, breathe a little bit more to expand the rib cage, open the mouth, exhale, and contract the core just a little bit, pressing what's remaining of the air back out. We're trying to avoid the air going up into the chest, although we do want to keep a nice, long, straight spine, but we want to avoid puffing up so that the shoulders and the neck and everything lifts up. We really want to keep the breath in the belly. Okay, great. So let's do a couple rounds together. Hands can come on the belly, or thumbs can be on the rib cage, just so you can feel the belly expand. You could bring your eyes to a close if it helps you to visualize the breath going into the belly. We're going to take a nice deep inhale through the nose and expand the belly out forward. Sip in a little bit more air and expand your rib cage. Now open your mouth, exhale fully. Squeezing in the core at the bottom. All air releases. Good. Inhale through the nose into the belly. Expand a little bit more into the rib cage. Open your mouth. Contract at the bottom. Good. Inhale through the nose, expand the belly. Sip a little bit more in, expand the rib cage. Open your mouth. Contract. Let's do a couple more rounds. Inhale through the nose. Sip a little bit more air in. Open your mouth. Find that squeeze at the bottom. Inhale, belly. Open the mouth. Contract. And we're just going to breathe in. Open the mouth. Couple more rounds. Inhale. Open mouth, exhale. Last one, breathe in. Open the mouth. Beautiful. So this is how you practice belly breathing. You can do this for as long or as short as you'd like. If you only have a couple minutes in the morning, this is a great way to really get centered and connect deep into that mind, breath, body connection. If you have a longer amount of time, you can do this for 10, 20 rounds, maybe 5, 10 minutes, and see how you feel. It's really up to you. These are tools that you could take along the way to help you in your yoga practice. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel. I post new videos every single week. If you'd like to follow me on social media, my Instagram and TikTok handles are @jrockyoga. And if you'd like longer flows, ebooks, blog posts, everything like that, my website is jrockyoga.com, and I can't wait to see you next week.